Open Document Presentations, Animations. This is a very brief slideshow or presentation. There are only 3 slides. We don't need to see the slides pane because we can easily move from slide to slide by pressing the page up or page down key. This is pressing page up and that's pressing page down. So we're going to close the slides pane. We do need the tasks pane because we need the custom animation button. If it's not visible, select view and make sure that it's ticked over here. Select the custom animation command button. We're now ready to add an effect to something. First we'll select an object to add an effect to. We'll select this image. Click on add and then we'll select an effect. This is for when the object appears on the page, its entrance on the slide in other words. Let's just choose a simple effect, checkerboard. We've got automatic preview turned on so we see what the effect is like. It seems a bit fast, so we'll just change it to a slow speed or a medium speed. Let's go for a medium speed. We click on the OK command button. Then we need to make some changes here. To modify the effect of the checkerboard animation, we can start the animation either when the mouse is clicked or we can start it after previous. After previous will make it happen automatically when the slide is presented. We'll do it after previous. Direction across is the way that the checkers move. We could make it downwards, but we'll leave it as across. And the speed is medium, and if we don't like the speed we can easily change it here. This is where you select an animation to make changes to later on when you've got several animations. When there's several you'll be able to change the order. At the moment we've seen how it looks because we had the automatic preview turned on. So we'll move to the next slide to do another animation. Press the page down key to move to the next slide. Here we would like to animate the text, so we select the placeholder containing the text. We can either be on the border with the image selected or with the image moving selected, but let's just select all of the text like this. Now we need to add an effect, so scroll up to the top and click on the add button. Select an effect. We're going to make this one fly in. We're going to see the preview that it's flying in from the bottom. That seems very fast. So we select over here different speed. We can make this a slow speed. Click on OK. Now we're going to change the effects. On this slide, the animation, there is only one. And it seems we can't select an effect for starting until we drop down the button, and we'll see we can. So let's start it when we click the mouse. We could play it, but what we're going to do now is watch the slideshow. To watch a slideshow, either click on this button or click on this button on the slides toolbar. This is the first slide. No, it's not. This is actually the slide we were on. We must be careful that we're on the first slide. I'm going to use the mouse scroll button to scroll back to slide 1. That's the effect of the first image appearing. We've moved to the second slide and we're waiting for a mouse click for those 2 sentences or paragraphs to appear. And there they are. Now we're clicking to move to the last slide, and then we're going to press escape to stop the slideshow. Remember not to overdo animations.